More often than not, during a cleanse, people focus on the liver and colon. Crucial organs, no doubt. But let's not forget about the kidneys. In today's bustling world, our bodies, especially the kidneys, are bombarded with toxins from all angles. From the grub we chow down onto the air we breathe, these hard-working kidneys process about 200 quarts of blood daily, eliminate excess water and waste, and ensure smooth body function. Neglecting them may lead to toxin buildup, impacting not just the kidneys, but also the liver and other organs, manifesting as symptoms like stomach pain, exhaustion, and headaches. Are you experiencing any of these? It might be time for a kidney cleanse. Various stressors, whether physical, emotional, or from medications, processed foods, preservatives, high salt intake, sugar diets, and even your cleaning and beauty products, can overwhelm the kidneys, leading to reduced function and toxicity over time. In this video, we're sharing 8 natural foods to boost kidney health. Get ready to discover the top foods that can give your kidneys a much-needed cleanse, all without relying on medical treatments. But before we proceed, show some love, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Now, let's talk about how to cleanse your kidneys safely, effectively, and naturally. Number 8. Celery. When we explore the internet or social media in pursuit of kidney cleanses, celery consistently takes center stage. Why? Well, it turns out celery is not just a crunchy snack, it's a kidney cleanser with numerous benefits. One of its key attributes lies in the alkaline properties, promoting a balanced internal environment. Moreover, celery exhibits diuretic-like effects that aid in the elimination of excess fluid from the body. Coumarins, present in celery, contribute to increased vascular flow, enhancing kidney function. Antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, polysaccharides, epigenin, and flavonoids are in abundance, offering a powerful arsenal against oxidative stress. Epigenin, a phytochemical in celery, isn't just a tongue twister. It acts as a liver and kidney protectant by reducing oxidative stress. A study on celery extract and chronic kidney disease showcased significant positive differences. Markers like superoxide dismutase, SOD, an enzyme crucial in neutralizing harmful free radicals, demonstrated favorable outcomes in the celery extract group compared to the placebo. Additionally, malodialdehyde, MDA levels, a marker of oxidative stress, showed promising reductions, indicating less cellular damage and improved kidney function in the celery extract group. Different parts of celery, stalks, extract, root, and seeds, offer a variety of ways to incorporate their benefits into your diet. From adding celery seeds to soups or dressings, to relishing stalks plain, juiced, or with nut butter, the versatility of celery make it a delightful and nutritious addition to your plate. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries and cranberry juice have earned a legendary status as a natural remedy for urinary health issues, dating back centuries. Not only have they been traditionally used to break up kidney stones, but also to improve overall kidney health. The intrigue surrounding cranberries has led modern science to scrutinize them for over 3 decades, unveiling a plethora of compounds packed within. Among these are antioxidant anthocyanins, procyanins, and flavonols, each with its own health-boosting properties. These compounds don't just stop at urinary health, they extend their benefits to digestion, cardiovascular health, and kidney function. Take, for instance, their role in preventing kidney stones by altering urine pH, a discovery that underscores their potential in maintaining kidney health. Their antibacterial properties have been a subject of fascination, particularly in preventing and treating urinary tract infections, or UTIs. This is particularly significant given that untreated UTIs can escalate into kidney infections if not managed properly. However, it's essential to approach cranberry consumption with caution, especially for those on medications like warfarin as cranberries have the potential to interact with certain drugs. 6. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are remarkably beneficial for kidney health. These legumes play a vital role in eliminating waste and toxins from the kidneys, aiding in the flushing out of stones. Kidney beans are rich in vitamin B, fiber, and various minerals that contribute to kidney cleansing. What sets them apart is their composition of slow-release carbohydrates, the good kind of carbs. With a low glycemic index, they are particularly advantageous for individuals managing diabetes. Beyond that, these beans house essential minerals that not only help lower cholesterol, but also support weight loss. The vitamin B content in kidney beans serves a dual purpose. It not only contributes to overall kidney function, but also plays a role in dissolving and flushing out stones. The benefits extend to boosting urinary tract function, acting as a preventative measure against the recurrence of urinary tract infections. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots also earn a spot on the roster of kidney-healthy foods. However, when it comes to detox or cleansing, there's no magic bullet, no overnight transformation. You won't sip a carrot smoothie and suddenly reverse kidney damage or stave off the need for serious medical intervention, like a transplant or dialysis. It's all about the long game with carrots. So what's the deal with carrots? They're loaded with beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and vitamin A, packing a punch of antioxidant properties that can help combat inflammation. Carrots are not just orange sticks. They're rich in pectin, a type of fiber often found in jams and jellies. Studies even hint that pectin might be a kidney hero, helping prevent kidney failure. How so? Well, pectin has a diuretic effect, meaning it helps your kidneys flush out excess water and toxins. Not only that, but it also pulls double duty by reducing creatinine levels, which are markers of kidney stress. But, and this is an important but, raw carrots are relatively high in potassium punch. So if you're loading up on carrots, it's crucial to keep an eye on your intake and make sure you're staying within safe limits. Number 4. Spinach. Beyond its antioxidant properties, spinach is rich in B vitamins, which play a crucial role in red blood cell production. This not only boosts overall vitality, but also supports the kidneys in functioning optimally. Bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, along with folate, this leafy green is a comprehensive package for overall health. The beta-carotene content in spinach not only shields your immunity, but also protects your vision. Spinach also contains magnesium, an essential mineral that contributes to various bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Remember to be cautious when consuming spinach. Overconsumption of this vegetable can potentially lead to the formation of kidney stones. But when enjoyed in appropriate portions, spinach becomes a valuable ally in the cleansing journey, benefiting the kidneys and the body as a whole. Whether you're adding it to a crisp salad or blending it into a refreshing smoothie, don't forget to make spinach a regular part of your meals. 3. Seaweed. Seaweed, often hailed for its role in cleansing our oceans, also serves as a gentle detoxifier for our bodies, helping rid them of environmental pollutants and toxins. The incredible nutrient density of seaweed eliminates healthy metals that may cleanse the kidneys. Brown seaweed takes the spotlight for its ability to cleanse the liver. The richness of iodine and minerals in seaweed promotes a healthy metabolism, stimulating the kidneys to flush out stored toxins and enhancing blood circulation. Fucoidin, a compound found in brown seaweed, is a type of polysaccharide, which is a complex sugar that has been modified with sulfate groups. It offers various health benefits and may help with kidney problems like long-term kidney failure, chronic renal failure, and damage to the kidneys caused by diabetes, diabetic nephropathy, a condition where blood sugar levels damage the kidneys over time. The benefits of brown seaweed extend beyond detoxification. Studies have shown its positive effects on the pancreas, kidney, and liver, with animal trials demonstrating a reduction in kidney and liver damage from diabetes. However, like with any potent remedy, it's essential to proceed with caution. Start with small doses and gradually increase consumption to avoid any unwanted effects. It's also advisable to alternate periods of consumption with intervals to ensure balanced and safe usage. If you're looking for a crunchy snack, give dried seasoned seaweed a try. It's a delicious and nutritious way to incorporate the benefits of seaweed into your diet. Number 2, ginger. Ginger, that humble root herb, takes center stage in detoxification when transformed into a soothing tea. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger work wonders for kidney health by providing a protective shield against bacterial infections. But here's where it gets interesting. Ginger doesn't just stop at fighting inflammation. Sipping ginger tea becomes a strategic move in neutralizing free radicals that may have set up camp in kidney cells. These free radicals, if left unchecked, could potentially wreak havoc on kidney tissues and cells. For individuals managing kidney disease, where antioxidant levels are crucial, ginger is a valuable ally. Its weak diuretic properties make ginger tea an excellent choice for promoting kidney detox without disrupting the delicate balance of electrolytes. It's a simple yet effective addition to support the detoxification journey and keep those kidneys in good working order. And finally, number 1, water. Water is the ultimate cleanser for your kidneys. With nearly 60% of the adult human body composed of water, every organ from the brain to the liver relies on this life-giving liquid. The kidneys depend on water to effectively secrete urine, the primary waste product essential for eliminating unwanted substances. When water intake is inadequate, urine volume decreases, potentially leading to kidney dysfunction and the formation of kidney stones. During a kidney cleanse, ensuring sufficient water intake becomes crucial. Water-wise means drinking enough water or other healthy fluids like unsweetened juice or low-fat milk to quench your thirst and maintain light yellow or colorless urine. Dark yellow urine signals dehydration, emphasizing the importance of staying adequately hydrated. Contrary to the often cited 8 glasses a day rule, the Institute of Medicine recommends a daily fluid intake of approximately 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women. It's not just about survival, it's about thriving. Remember, healthy kidneys are the coveted prize when you're water-wise. When it comes to those kidney detoxes, watch out for those pill or liquid versions. You might not know the ingredients, and proprietary blends make it hard for doctors to advise. There's no magic fix for kidney health overnight, even if you're tossing in kidney-friendly foods or juices. It's not a quick solution. The best move is to talk to your doctor or nephrologist. They can guide you on whether you're dealing with advanced kidney issues or just need a bit of a boost. Follow a kidney cleanse protocol with professional guidance for potential benefits. Don't miss out on more helpful tips. Hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Let's spread the word on living our best balanced lives.